free credit card for Discord Nitro. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution, and today in the video I'm going to show you how you can create a free virtual credit card for the Discord Nitro. So first of all, open the browser that you're using, tap in the search bar and type Skrill. After that, open the first website which says www.skrill.com. After that, go on the upper right corner where it says register. So guys, now from here on you can register your account. You can type your first name, last name, select your country and select your currency, and after that write down your email and write the password and click on register. It's gonna be registered for you, and after that you've been taken to the Skrill homepage where you can have the free virtual credit card that you can use for the online shoppings, and you can use to get the free Amazon, free Netflix. You can also get the free Discord Nitro as well. So thank you so much for watching. So that is it in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any question you can ask me right in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you up guys later in the next video. Until then, have a good one.